those hacks that you get to know with experience, that is what I think was the best part.
They say that you should fail early in life because once you fall down, then you should be able to get up again.
And that is what I advise my juniors, that they should start early and realize how important this is.
Hello, Samaiva.
Hello, sir.
Right. So I thought that we'll get in a conversation with you and we'll try to understand more about what goes behind the scenes, right? Because you have been achieving so much left, right, center, and you have been with Sapphire from your early years. We can start with a quick rapid fire,
Sure.
right? So, what is that one thought that comes to your mind when you hear the word, let's say, Sapphire?
I'd say you, sir. I
Okay.
see the image of our head of school whenever I hear Sapphire.
Okay. A teacher.
Chemistry.
Okay. Then a friend.
A friend. I'd say my best friend, China,
Okay.
comes to my mind.
Parents.
Love.
Nice. Career.
Cybersecurity.
Right. So, as you mentioned about your career, cybersecurity. So, recently I know that you have been to this internship as well
Yes.
during the summer vacation. So, what is that one skill which you learned and how's the experience?
I think something that really stood out for me in that internship was that the mentor there actually gives us advices that you do not find usually in your books.
Yeah.
Those hacks that you get to know with experience, that is what I think was the best part of the whole thing.
Nice. Right. And at this age, going to an office, I'm sure it must be a different experience.
Exactly. It felt very formal at first,
Yeah.
very foreign.
Yeah.
Never been there, never imagined myself, but
Right.
yeah, at the end it was fun.
Right. No, super proud that some 50 students went out for these internships and they really learned
Yes.
or at least absorbed what's going on in the corporate world.
Exactly.
Right. Then I think couple of months back you also went to Pune
Yes.
for the AFS inter-school program, that exchange. So what was the motivation behind it and what exactly was the learning?
I'd say Innovators was like one of those programs that I think I've made the best decision of my life when I actually registered.
Yeah.
At first, I was very uncertain about it.
Okay.
I thought I would not get in like I did in STEM academics,
Yeah.
but I think that the best thing that I learned there, there is not one thing that I learned there. I
Okay.
learned a lot. Like we had projects lined up, and then at recess we were having lunch or also researching.
Right.
We did not get enough time, but I think that during that whole process, I think AFS taught us how life is exactly, and
Right.
you'll never get time enough for you to actually complete everything. And
Right.
it just taught us how you can deal with problems as you grow up.
Right.
Also, I made lots of friends. I'm still in touch with them, and I think that I met amazing people there. Some people were into quantum this physics,
Right.
and some were in singing, some were a part of a band or something.
Right.
So I think I got a lot of exposure there.
Nice, so good to hear this. So, Samara, you mentioned about the Pune visit, the exchange program. So I
Yes.
also remember last year you were able to crack the AFS Global STEM Academies till the final round though.
Yes.
And I think the countries that were there for the grabs were Brazil, Egypt and one more
China.
And China.
Yes.
Right. So what was your experience and what did you really learn from that?
I'd say that was like my very first interview round that I
Right.
had
Yeah.
outside school. Of course, I had one with the council.
And I think executives from BP
yes,
were
yes,
also there for
yes.
the interview.
Yes, they
Yeah.
were. So I think that I learned a lot during the interview part the most, because you know when I am not a person who actually loves to have conversations with
Yeah.
like I am a little introvert and I
Yeah.
love to be in my shell.
Yeah.
So at that time when I was talking with
Yeah.
random strangers I did
Yeah.
not know. So at first I was shivering, but gradually I thought that it's not that hard.
Yeah.
And I was cool. But by the end of it, I also realized that sometimes things might not go your way,
Right.
but you just have to keep on trying.
Right. No, definitely. You should fail early in life because you really get to, taste that thing and you learn from those experiences.
Exactly.
Because once you fall down, then you should be able to get up again.
Exactly.
That's why these experiences and the overall, programs that we are introducing and launching, we want kids to go outside and get that exposure. So, Samaira, there's this dilemma of the students, the parents. They feel that if the student is participating in lot of activities outside the school, be it the inter-schools or the exchange programs or some other programs, so they feel that academics will suffer. So, what's your take on that? Because you have a classic example of winning the trophies outside the school and also securing the marks in the board examination. So, what was your percentage and
Yes.
what's your take on this?
Okay, so my parents used to be like that when I was back in 5th
Yeah.
grade. Even though I always wanted to participate in things, my father thought that it would, kind of hinder my academics. And at first I thought the same.
Yeah.
But I think that until and unless you do not master time management,
Yeah.
you cannot do both at the same time.
Right.
And for people who think that extracurriculars would actually hinder academics, I do not think so. For if you're actually dedicating your 6 hours to academics, you can easily dedicate 1 to extracurriculars. And even if you give 1 hour to it every day, I think that's going to
Right.
sum up to a lot. And that's enough, because I think nowadays college applications too do not just want academics
Right.
and marks. They want people to think outside the box,
Right.
do things outside school, and yes, do extracurriculars.
Right. So you have touched upon a very important point that colleges, they look for all the other things apart from academics as well,
Yes.
and that is what stands out the application.
Exactly.
And this is what they are looking for, that what projects outside the academics you have picked up,
exactly.
right? What is the participation level outside the academia?
Yes.
So that is equally important now.
Hmm.
And colleges are, pushing it in the applications as well.
Of course, we have got AI, and
Yeah.
AI, I think, just mugging up things and writing it in an
Yeah.
exam, or maybe just learning some formulas and applying it. I think AI can do that as well. But when you try to get creative, when you try
Yeah.
to put yourself into uncomfortable situations to learn
Right.
things, I think that is what makes you better than AI and real.
Got it. So what is that one message for your, the juniors or your peers that you would like to give?
Okay, I have one in mind. So I've always had this regret. Like I said, my father did not allow me in such extracurriculars. Now that I think about it, I think if I would have started earlier, it would have been better. And I would have been achieving better things by now. Because when I see, like I said, I met amazing people in
Yeah.
AFS, or maybe just people in my society.
Yeah.
I see them having clubs, I see them having organizations, and they're
Right.
organizing hackathons and
Right.
everything. And then I realized that I have not done that much. I should have started earlier. And that is what I advise my juniors, that they should start early and realize how important this is. Because
Right.
people are not running for academic
Right.
achievers now.
Right. No, definitely. So, but I should say this thing that you have been doing good. You have been achieving things in academia and the overall exposure that you have been getting. So this will really help you out when you graduate from school. And I'm sure you will remember Sapphire as well.
Of course I
Right.
will. Sapphire gave me so many opportunities.
Right.
Every year we are having internships and everything. I think Sapphire did give me a lot of exposure, so
Right.
I'll remember it forever.
Perfect. Thank you. Thanks, Samira,
Thank you,
for giving your time. And it was really wonderful interacting with you.
sir. Same. Thank you.
Thank you.